I'm about to show you how you can download and install World War Z Aftermath completely for free. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So all you need to do is download Epic Games Launcher, which is a games launcher like Steam. And then once you are here, you need to create an account or log into your Epic Games account. Go to Start and then search for World War Z. So if it doesn't appear here, click on View More and the game should appear right here. So as you can see, there is an offer right now to download it completely for free. So if you click there, you can go and get it, and this will give you access to World War Z Aftermath completely for free. So this way you can keep the game forever and download it and play whenever you want. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.